Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series. We are on lesson number 92, Python functions. Wow, we are going to learn about Python functions, and that's part of Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, so what is Python functions? Functions, right? So function is nothing but a block of code, any lines of code, 1 2 3 4 10 100 lines of a block, a set of block of code which can run only once when it is called for. You can specifically define a call and call for that particular set of code within the block, right? Within the block of either square bracket and the curly bracket, and you end it totally. So you can basically pass any kind of data which is also known as a parameter, okay, into a function. Now that particular function can return data as a result, as an output when you define the call function. Now let me give you an example how it works. So let's design a simple code. Okay, I am on my terminal and let's open a new file. Okay, say nano function, no, let's say nanofun.py. it's a new file and this is my IDE, the nano IDE. Now let's say we got to define first, right? So what is the keyword for define? def. So define my underscore function. This is how you are going to define the function. Okay, and can you see the color changes? My underscore function, and you got to open and close the bracket, open and close with a colon. All right, now let's say indentation, print I am Iron Man. All right, now what you got to do, you have to call the function. How you are going to call? Say my underscore function, open close. Okay, because you have created a function, right, with my underscore function, and then you are printing I am Iron Man. So you can define this within a set of block of codes which you are going to design it, right? Alright guys, let me save it. Control O, enter, Control X. Now let's say Python 3 fun.py. I am Iron Man. Guys, you were successfully able to create your own function, and you can call that function within a set of code, within a set or a block of code. Alright, so this is how the function works. So I'm going to talk more about functions in the next video, and until then, see you soon. Do please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.